we'll show you the other stuff. Droop E over here. We're filming a video for a Cousin Fik, and he ain't never heard this shit before. So before we move this vehicle over there, we're gonna play it for a second, show him what's cracking. All right, so we're gonna bump your shit in a second, but you gotta hear some of the stuff that you've been seeing me do. And you know I gotta go to Candlelight. Fuck with me. So we're about to have a candlelight for Droop.
I had to keep my eardrums in my head. I had to keep my eardrums intact. That different level.
A little different than the box out on the shop floor.
Different. Another level. That's another level right there. Oh my God.
Oh, we could go midnight. Rewind.
418s.
Shit's name. No wonder. All right, so it's 418s. It ain't like I'm on some sucker shit. It's 418s.
Is this the one? Was it Rossi Juan or what was it? Riding solo? Was it?
I think so. Going up. That's the one that went out.
You know that Rossi Juan, puffin' turtle, feeling fine. It's just me, myself, and I. I'm out here.
I Droop E. What's up, Tony? What's going on? Yeah, nephew Turkey, man. What is it, boy?
That shit go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That go crazy.
Oh, my whole thing out of better.
Look out here, what's the perfection?
That go crazy. You riding around with this slap for how long?
Man, this system shit. I mean, I've made changes to the system, but this truck has been slapping since like 2003, 2002. It was the family car. He was little. He used to ride in it. Caleb in his car seat, and then I said, yeah, we're gonna get another car. This one's gonna have bass in it because we need some feet. Yeah. It's got all the room in the back, so that's where the whole Tahoe thing started, you know.
Did you play Going Up yet? This shit?
That's the one over there. That's crazy.
Is that the one?
I know I took the bass here on this one. So
I'll just turn it down a little, see what this.
This one don't play no games.
night shaking, I'm stirring, it's popping in the game. It's all deep, and my balls ain't real beastie, talking real greasy. The game needy, icy like sweetie. Short my lips needy, some say I'm needy. I'm treaty like Peachtree. I can't stop now, I'm going up. I can't stop now, I'm going up.
We'll stop torturing you. You did it. You made that shit. It ain't my fault.
That shit's like a fucking, that's like a roller coaster or some shit. Man, that's crazy.
Ain't the first time I've heard that before, man. I probably heard that 100 times.
Weird,
Yeah. It may not be the loudest system that's out there because I hang with people that got louder shit, but this one grabs you in a way that it's hard to describe, especially them certain notes, but I feel like you're being electrocuted.
Yeah, you going through the fucking, the song is taking you on a real trip.
Yeah.
You feel it. That's crazy. Yeah. That's sick.
Well, maybe we should. I guess we can finish your video after we get done with his. Separate anyways, because I think it'd look better with you guys in here, and then she can like walk up. You know what I mean? Like I can probably get the hair. I got this out here. I can probably still do it, but see the gas pedal. If you get this thing up to like when we do the hair trick, you can bring the RPMs up to like three grand. Yeah. You raise it. 4 alternators in here making power, so it has to come from somewhere. So that's all you really got to do. So technically, it's supposed to be there getting your hair. Yeah, as far as the video is concerned, if you're just filming, it's probably not gonna make no difference for what you're doing, whether or not it's loud to them or not. The hair trick is gonna require we turn the shit up. But just for the music video part, he just needs to know, lip sync the lyrics or something, right? What I meant was, I know this is odd, but move your chair back a little bit more so she can lean in for me. I need the shadow off of your face. Hey, just so you know, the seat you're sitting in, the motor broke on it, so it ain't moving. You got to do that until it's time to do the hair trick. So we're gonna do a chill version right now.
Look, only thing I'm focused on is a pocket full of blue. It's gonna be 2020 like the news. Call it standing on the ground, but they call it glue. Cause they build the case on you, they be watching all your food up on the low. Sound like my car's gonna explode. Sound like my car's gonna explode. Dang, Droop E, this is slap, man. Speakers beating up the seat, damn, they're causing back pain. I gave my boy a pound and I ain't talking with a 10-pack. All you do is take L's, nigga, where your wins at. Like it's all God, 4-5, where the chin. Sound like my car's gonna explode.
Holy shit!
Right. That was the one there.
Let's give it until 3. I got confidence. I got faith. I believe it's gonna work. Soul is the only thing I probably never sold. Seekers got a nigga ready to run up out the low. Sound like my car's gonna explode. Sound like my car's gonna explode. Come on, man! Vanessa, baby, mama. I see mine, my turtle feeling fine. It's just me, myself, and I. Yeah.
I accidentally turned it down. Come on, come back in here.
That's raw, hey. That's
Filming that, Anthony?
like redlining this thing for a second.
No, it was like $4,000. It probably sounded like it, yeah.
It's Cousin Fik. Look, only thing I'm focused on is a pocket full of blue. It's finna be 2020 like it's a game, but it's not straight up. 40 like Pac-Man, get your dot ate up. Sound like my car's fixed. I used to be broke, but now I'm in a different mode. My soul is the only thing I probably never lost. Sound like my car's fixed.